So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a debit card as a payment method here on the KOHO Financial application. So once KOHO's opened up on the home screen here in the bottom left, go to the top left and press on the profile icon. Once you're on this page where it says account settings below explore plans, go ahead and select that. Then on this screen right here, I want you to go to where it says load methods, right below payment methods and above personal details, and select that. Then on this screen, you can go ahead and add a debit card, which I will do right now by pressing on add a debit card. Once you're on this page, you have to go ahead and type in your card number, the expiry date, the CVV if there is one, as well as the postal code. Then once that is done, press on save card, which will light up at the bottom here. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to add a debit card as a payment method on KOHO Financial. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.